Wait! Before we start, do you want a bundle of 30 printable Danish PDF cheat sheets? Teaching you words and phrases for conversations for free? Then click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get access.
Welcome to Better Daily Danish by Danish Class 101. Today we're going to cover basic Danish gestures and body language. Even though Danes are easygoing and well-behaved, knowing common body gestures and trademarks will give you a good head start to better daily Danish habits. Hej alle sammen, mit navn er Jonas. Hey everybody, my name is Jonas. In this video you will learn the most common Danish body gestures. These are pretty straightforward, but with a couple of twists. Today we will be doing greetings, positive gestures, negative gestures, neutral gestures, and finally, Danes are pretty straightforward. Okay, let's get started. First is greetings. Let's do some of the common greetings in Danish. First is hej. Hi. 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 This is the most casual greeting for your friends and people you meet for the first time. This is also used for saying goodbye when you leave. You can combine this with a hug. Shorter hugs are for friends and longer hugs are for close friends and family. Next is god dag. Hello. God dag. Good day. This is more formal than using hej and is really good when meeting people for the first time. This is also the best for all work and business related situations. Remember to give a smile while doing this. You can follow up both of these greetings with hvordan går det? How are you? Hvordan går det? Hvordan går det? Just like in English, a simple reply will do. Nobody is looking for a long conversation during introduction. Just answer, det går godt. I'm good. Det går godt. Det går godt. Using kisses is only for very close family and selected friends, and sometimes even not. If you don't know the person you're greeting, it is okay to decline a suggested kiss by raising your hand, retract your head, and give a smile. A good thing to remember is keeping personal space while doing the more formal greetings. If you don't know the person and you step up close while greeting, it is considered a bit rude. Next is positive gestures. The most basic one is yeah, yes. Depending on the situation, you can combine this with a nod and a smile. Yeah. A thumbs up nod and a smile. Yeah. Or making a fist a nod and a smile. Yeah. It will be obvious in the situation how strong you would like to make this statement. Please remember that your facial expressions and tone of voice are really important here. Anything in Denmark that relates to food always comes with a positive expectation. You can either rub your stomach or your hands while saying this. Det ser lækkert ud. Wow, that looks delicious. Det ser lækkert ud. Det ser lækkert ud. Next is negative gestures. Basic rejection or declining something is nej tak. No thank you. Nej tak. Nej tak. This is combined with a small wave of your hand and an apologetic smile. Or just a simple shake of your head. If you feel strongly about this, retract your head a bit and almost take a step back. To express yourself about unknown things or subjects you want to use. Det ved jeg ikke. I don't know. Det ved jeg ikke. Det ved jeg ikke. You can open your hands, slightly raise your shoulders, or use a concerned facial expression while saying this. Again, depending on the situation, it will be obvious how strong you want to combine this gesture and tone of voice to get your message across. Here's another one. Det var tæt på. That was a close call. Det var tæt på. Det var tæt på. And you can use this when you are feeling doubtful or surprised by a statement. Virkelig? Really? Virkelig. Virkelig? Next is neutral gestures. These are commonly used in daily life for all kind of situations. Let's try these together. Vær stille. Be quiet. Vær stille. Vær stille. This can be used together with either a finger and a slight shh or a calming palm. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. This is used with a small wave with your fingers or even an arm if you want to show enthusiasm or move a group of people. Nogenlunde. Almost. Nogenlunde. Nogenlunde. You can tip your palm like this and make a doubtful facial expression to emphasize. For all the examples we have covered today, it goes without saying that your facial expression and body language can truly emphasize what you're trying to say. Danes are pretty straightforward. Yes, overall, you get what you see when talking with Danes and visiting Denmark. The well-known phrase, when in Rome, do as the Romans do, works really well in Denmark. Take a moment to observe and see how Danish people around you use gestures, tone of voice, and body language. Then give it a try. Don't worry too much. Danes are very positive and forgiving. Uncomfortable silence does exist in Denmark, but don't worry. Most people will likely keep chatting and have the conversation going. If you ever feel lost, such a basic thing as talking about the weather is considered a very safe topic among Danes. Danes are not afraid of pointing at things. Just remember people's personal space and tone of voice when doing so. Most difficult thing about interacting with Danes is their frequent use of irony and sarcasm. Danish people love using this to state their points. Sometimes it can be very obvious with tone of voice and body language, but among friends it can be very tricky to detect. Here's an example. Det smagte rigtig godt. That was really delicious. Now, Let's try that again with some fairly obvious irony and sarcasm. Det smagte rigtig godt. See how this brings the opposite meaning across? Now, here's an even more subtle version of this. Det smagte rigtig godt. As a beginner, I would not recommend to try use this until you know people well, and definitely not in a business situation. Good luck, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time. Vi ses næste gang.
Now that you're finished with this lesson, don't forget, as a free bonus, you get over 30 conversation cheat sheets, but only if you sign up via the link in the description. You'll learn how to have flowing conversations and how to answer the most common questions. You can also print out these colorful cheat sheets to keep as physical study material. So don't miss out on this free gift. Click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get your PDF cheat sheets.